we have the option to build using some templates, but choosing the template definitely matters a lot. So if we scroll all the way down, there's two real main ways you can do this. One is going to be through the themes that are pre-built. If we click on Visit Shopify Theme Store, there are a ton here. Way more than half are paid, but fortunately, Shopify did just make some new ones very recently. I think there used to be like 12 to 15 free ones. Now there are 23 free ones. So if I select free, you can see all the ones that are free. I think Horizon is a new one. I wanted to see. I was thinking about using that one in this video. Yeah, Horizon right here. This is one of the new ones with a lot of really cool features. Just very easy to launch, minimal, but definitely gets the job done. But the other option, so I remember I said there were two options for your store, for your theme. One is to select one from the theme store. The other one is to use AI to generate them right now. So the example they give is a store specializing in premium air-dried beef jerky and protein snacks. That's based on my store. So it knows what my store is, it knows what the products are, and it's recommending that as your design. So if I say generate themes, it'll cook up 3 themes that it thinks might be a good fit for what I'm doing. And I have to say, I actually really like this a lot better than a lot of AI store builders out there that just give you one store and you have to regenerate the whole thing. Giving you 3 themes at a time, I think looks pretty good. Now, granted, these themes don't have relevant images right away, but they should have a layout that might make sense for you. So if I look at this one, we can see, again, it's kind of based on more so on snacks. I'm going to change the prompt. Let's change the prompt, but I think this is close enough. This is a pretty good start here, and I wouldn't be unhappy with this. I would just want to change the font and the colors, of course, but let's try one more time. So looking at these, you can see if I say view demo store, this one looks pretty decent. It's not too bad. This might be a good fit for what we're looking for, but I mean, I really do think the Horizon one that I showed you, it's actually right here as well. I kind of want to try that one out. So I'm going to go with the Horizon one for this video. And again, it doesn't matter that much which one you choose. You can customize it entirely to look like pretty much any of these stores, but it is going to give you a head start if you choose one that is the best fit for your store. So I'm going to click on add for the Horizon one. And by the way, when you add it, you'll see it's still not your default store. Like the store up here is using the theme Dawn, which just comes with Shopify. And in order to make Horizon your main theme, once it's done installing, you will have to click on publish. Now, because this is a brand new store, I'm completely comfortable publishing it. In the future, if you ever want to change your store, you can build out a full second store with nobody being able to see it, password protected, private and everything. And then when you're ready, you can just hot swap it in by clicking publish. So that's why there's the customize button down here and the publish button. But like I said, I'm just going to publish it right away. So click on publish. We can publish that one. So now we'll have our online store.